Hey gardeners, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be digging out the Canna bulbs or tubers, whatever you call them. I should research that because everything is called something different. I just call everything pretty much bulbs, and then I try to correct myself and call them tubers, and they may not be tubers. Anyway, I'm going to dig up the Canna bulbs, and I have 3 clumps to do. So I have a clump here, and then a clump there, and a clump a little bit further down. Now the process for this is exactly the same as I showed you with the elephant ears. You dig them up, try not to destroy the bulb in the process, then you cut back the foliage and you let them dry out. If you want to rinse them off, you can. I don't rinse off any of my bulbs after I dig them up, but you really want to make sure that they get dried and then that you store them in a cool, dry spot. Okay, so the process for all of that is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and get these Cannas out, and I'm going to attempt to not destroy them. But this bed is starting to look so much emptier. I got the dahlias out. I've cut back a lot of things. The milkweed is cut back. I've got some rose hips, you guys. This will be my first year. Stupid camera. Let me fix this so I can show you. There. Look at those rose hips. I cannot wait to use those. I'm going to try rose hip tea. And then I have not started on my quest to make jellies and jams yet. I'm just not there yet. I want to. I'm just not there yet. I'm not there yet with canning and things like that. I'm working my way up to it. But so far it's just going to be tea with the rose hips, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let me get my shovel. Alright, so I'm going to do my best to avoid hitting the bulbs. So I see the bases right here. So I'm going to dig out about here to try to get underneath and lift. Try to go straight down and then start lifting. Oh man. Oh, this is a big chunk. Got it. Alright, throw that over there. I'm just going to start tearing away some of this soil. These guys spread so much, I can tell. Look at all these babies popping off right here. Wow. So many babies. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing got so big. I'm so excited. What I'm learning this year is that having these in the ground, the elephant ears in the ground, things, they just grow so much bigger. They make so many more babies, and they do so much better in ground for me. My goodness, look at this. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna have to divide this for sure. I feel like I got a piece of dirt in my eye. Yeah, this is gonna have to be divided. It is super thick. Look at that. Ooh, I just broke a piece. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look how big this is. This is so juicy. Wow. This tuber looks amazing. Wow. Look at that. That is one healthy tuber. Almost looks like ginger. Wow. Okay. Let me move this out of here, and then we'll get started on the next one. I'm not going to divide it right there. So this one's going to be a tight squeeze because there's a lot of things planted around it. So I'm going to do my best to get it up in one piece and not injure anything else. that's a big chunk too. I'm gonna throw my shovel. Just pull this dude out. Oh my goodness, so heavy. The tag to get that. Alright, so let's get this guy out. Take a look at this. Woo. Oh my goodness, so big. And last but not least, this little clump over here. Let's see how we can get this one out. Yes, down there. Alright, start right here. This one's a little bit tougher. See what I can get this yarrow out the way. Move, yarrow. I think I broke some. This piece all the way out here. Woo! This looks so good. Wow, such a beautiful piece. Look at that. I'm gonna toss it out there. Come from the other direction. Rock in there. Alright, let's get this guy. Wow, so take a look at that, guys. 3 huge chunks. I'm gonna definitely have to divide them. I can't, I'm not gonna be able to replant them like that. I mean, I could, but I won't have a pot that's wide enough to start them indoors early. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna get to dividing them and then I'll show you guys what we end up with. So it's not supposed to rain until Sunday. Today's Friday, so I'm going to let them sit outside in the open air for until Sunday, and that way that'll give them a head start on the drying process, and then I'll bring them into the screened-in porch after that, where they'll get they'll be more protected from the wind, but they'll also be protected from any rainfall. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some comments below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!